Alright, so I don't normally do unboxing videos, but I thought I would do this one. So this is something that I ordered off eBay. I don't buy stuff off eBay normally though, but it's, I've been wanting one of these because there was a hospital near me, a mental hospital, that actually had these in service, and I wanted to get one from it when it got demolished, but I never did. So I ordered this one, and it just came. So let's open it up. Let's see how it works. They packaged this really well. Yeah, there's more than just tape on this. There's... Yep, that was right. There's a lot more packaging. There's like tape on these flaps and stuff. Alright, so now we have paper. And there we go. Very good. This is a Samson number 50 coated pull station, and it is missing the front door, but it's cool anyways. It needs some new paint though. Another reason why I bought this actually is that it came with, inside of here, the original keys. And these, I have never seen anyone else have the original keys to one of these boxes. So this is really cool to me. So, like, let's see if it works. But yeah, so this is the key for locking and unlocking the box itself. As you can see here, if I tighten this up, box is locked now. And then this one, this is a remotely triggered box. Well, it can be. So it winds up separately. When you pull it, it doesn't automatically wind it up. It just trips it. So, like, if I open it again, by undoing this screw right here, I can show you here. This is a solenoid that can trigger it remotely. So let's say you have other pull stations in this floor of the building. You can have them all hooked up to this, or kind of like a city box. You can have it in a building. I just realized that was out of frame. You can have it in a building, but then you can remotely trigger it by any of the alarms in the building by a relay. So basically, this is it doesn't have to be triggered by the box. It can be triggered by the by remote ways. So let's see if it works by winding it up. Oh, it looks like it's maybe not. Okay. So let's pull it and see what happens. And then it shuts off like that. So, I don't know why it says 44 as the code on this plaque. It clearly just does, like, Actually, let me count these teeth here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It just does 12 pulses per round. So that's kind of interesting. Let's wind it back up here. It just does that when you wind it. But yeah, I'll show you the remote activation part now because that's kind of cool. And then I'll kind of try to zoom in on the mechanism as well on this. So there's a little solenoid right here when you trip it. I don't know if you saw, but that little cam wheel right there, that kind of trips it off. You can see that goes around a lot slower, and once it gets to the end of this wheel, then it'll trip back off automatically. So yeah, then if I didn't already go over this, this also came with its mechanism cover, and inside you can see that it says Samson Fleck Co., whatever that is. That's the company that made it. I've never ever heard the full name of that company. I've just heard Samson, and I believe they're a division of SH Couch, which I don't know if you guys know what that is, but it's another alarm company from this period. And then this also came with it. It's a little fire tech like a sheet, and it also shows inspection info. Maybe, I'm not sure if this can focus here. Come on, there we go. It's really worn off. I'll have to look at that more later, but it looks like it was last inspected in 1993. So that's kind of cool. And then I'm also not entirely sure what this is for, but there's a little tiny thing right here, and that can also fit a key. That I think is for like a remote, like a test switch, just to make sure the contact works. Let's see here. Yeah, it will silence it if you hold it like this. Here, I can zoom in on this so you can better see. So right now it's normal. If I turn it this way, it'll silence it. See, it can't get tripped by the wheel. And then this way, that will test it. This is a normally closed pull station, so the panel will recognize it as normally closed, but if it's breaking that loop, then it'll detect a fire, but you can easily get around this by using a relay. So that is pretty cool. I'll probably repaint this pull station because it is leaving paint all over the desk. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, really cool find. And this video is getting kind of long, so I'm gonna end it here. But I hope you enjoyed, and I don't know if I'll keep doing these kinds of videos or not, but yeah, so that's it.